When it comes to hair systems, we all are looking for very specific things. We're looking for it to look as believable as possible, for it to last as long as possible, and for it to feel as good as possible. Hey guys, my name is Jay Ken. On this channel, I talk about hair loss, hair systems, and overall just being a better man every single day. Today, we're gonna be tackling the topic of how do you make your hair system last longer and feel better. This is an issue that I think a lot of us are plagued by, that even if we can make our hair system last for a long time, it starts to feel less than desirable. Our hair, when we first get it, goes from feeling full of life to, well, lifeless and almost more like straw. It can get very, very dry, and the body of the hair can be just removed after a couple of months. So I've been on a quest of figuring out, how do I make my hair system last longer? How do I take care of it on a day-to-day basis? And how do I treat it in ways that will revitalize it? Today's video is sponsored by Live Vivid Hair, who is sponsoring education inside the community and helping us find these tips and tricks. Now, this product right here is something that I have been recently trying, and it's honestly been very surprising to me. I am not an expert at using this product, but I heard about it a long time ago when searching for different products for women that are meant for color treated hair, for treating like dry hair, hair that's just damaged and really needs some extra kick in the pants, if you will. And so what I found was this two-step process from Aphogee. It's something like Aphogee though, that's the brand. I'll leave a link down below to both of these products because I actually do think that these are really, really high quality products, and I'm gonna keep using them because of the difference I've seen. So this two-step process consists of first a protein treatment, and then secondly, a balancing moisturizer. Now, I'm gonna talk about the results that I've had using this and why I think it's something that you should consider, and then I'll talk about how you use it very briefly and what it does. I've tried this maybe 2 or 3 times now, and what I have noticed is that after I use it, the hair is left feeling a lot more vibrant. It's just something that, like, if you've had a hair system when they first get it, it's almost too much, right? And then after about a week, it's perfect. And then after about a month or so, it just starts feeling really stringy and strawy. This kind of brings it back to that first week feeling where it has life, it has some body, it has some spring to it, and the hair starts feeling a little silkier, if you know what I mean. This two-step protein treatment right here is a product that you leave in for a designated period of time, then you wash it out, and then you apply this balancing moisturizer. This is the second step of the process, and this basically acts as like a moisturizing conditioner to this right here. So I don't really recommend a lot of products anymore, just because like I've been experimenting and I've been trying to solve these problems with hair systems, but this is actually one I really do think that you guys should check out. I'm going to continue to use it, and it's a little bit different of a product than things that we use. So the way that you utilize this is, first you shampoo your hair, and then after, you can towel blot dry your hair. Just make sure it's damp and not super duper wet, right? So you want it to kind of be somewhat dry, half dry, if you know what I mean. And then what you do is you take this two-step protein treatment and you apply it into your hair and you run it through with a wide tooth comb. And you're just trying to get this product on all the hair, because what this is essentially a product that has activated proteins and magnesium in it, which is fused into the air with the application of heat. It has a very specific process of how you apply it, but what it does is it stops breakages, it rebuilds some of the hair structure, and this right here can also help hair that's lost its curl pattern due to chemical overprocessing. So this right here is something that can really repair and rehabilitate your hair. It's a little bit more of an intense thing. They say it's used for professional use, and it's really, really interesting. It has a couple of different use cases here. So, they say that it can be used for damaged hair right here, for bleaching and lifting color, for depositing color, relaxing and straightening, and putting permanent waves in. So this right here is a pretty cool supplement that I really like it. It makes the hair feel amazing, which is, essentially what we're going for, but also the fact that it stops breakages and keeps the hair healthier for longer. We don't get natural oils. We don't get a lot of the natural help that our skin, our oils give to our hair. So this is, you know, things that we've got to remediate, if you will. And this second product right here, after you put this in your hair for a couple minutes and it hardens, which deposits the proteins into your hair and strengthens it, then you wash this out very, very gently, but then you apply this balancing moisturizer to it, which this right here will bring back a shine and also make your hair nice and soft again. And it's honestly just a product that I think that we should all take a look at. I'm going to be using this more often, and like I said, I'm not like talking about a lot of products because I want to find stuff and review it for you and give it, you know, a fair shake. But this right here is something that I really think that I'm going to keep on using. I found it just because I was researching stuff on YouTube and it was just a random find. This is definitely more of an intense product. It's not as cheap as, you know, some shampoos and conditioners, and this is not something that you do every single night. This is not something you do super often. This is, you know, once in a while type of treatment. I think right here it says, you know, it rebuilds hair structure for 6 weeks. So I'm imagining, you know, this is maybe like a once a month type treatment right here. So, you know, this stuff is going to last a long time. It's something that, you know, I'm going to try experimenting with it like every 3 to 4 weeks. Just to see how it keeps the hair in its condition. And you know, I'll keep on reporting back on this product, but I wanted to give you guys a heads up about this if you want to try it and experiment with me. So far I recommend it for what it's worth. Anyways, feel free to roast me down in the comments below. Tell me if you tried this product before, if you're going to try it. And yeah, can't wait to talk to you guys soon. Thanks to Live Vivid for sponsoring this video, for helping us find, you know, new products that keep our hair system better for longer, and I'll catch you guys soon.